How to turn off or on chat notification on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on the chat notification on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click settings, and then click this one, notifications. And now all you need to do is just click here and select how many time you want, and then just click, and as you see chat notification has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.